How Japan turned 40% vacancy into 80% occupancy. Many investors assume that a property with a 40% vacancy rate is a bad investment. But one apartment complex in Japan proved that assumption wrong. What was once struggling with more than 40% vacancy eventually increased occupancy to over 80%. And surprisingly, the solution was not simply lowering the rent. Like many older apartment complexes in Japan, the property faced several challenges. The buildings were aging, the layouts were outdated, and population decline made it harder to attract new tenants. Many landlords would respond by cutting rents. Instead, this project focused on creating value. The apartments were renovated with different layouts and interior styles. Some units featured natural wood finishes. Others allowed tenants to customize parts of the apartment themselves. These changes made the property stand out from competing rentals. But the biggest change was not physical. It was changing who the property was targeting. The managers began welcoming remote workers, freelancers, and people looking for second homes. Some tenants were even allowed to rent two units, one for living and one for work. Rather than asking how to fill empty units, they asked a different question. Who are we missing? That simple change created new demand. Affordable rents also helped. Most units were priced between 30,000 and 50,000 yen per month, making them attractive to a wide range of tenants. In the end, occupancy rose above 80%. The lesson for investors is simple. Vacancy problems are not always caused by the property itself. Sometimes the real problem is targeting the wrong tenant. Successful investing is not only about buildings. It's about understanding what people want and adapting to changing lifestyles. And sometimes, that can turn a struggling property into a success story.